Hello traders, today I'm going to talk about Euro versus Canadian dollar on 4 hours. Okay, as you can see, the market is closed and this is weekend, so we have to make our planning for the next week so that when we are trading next week, we know what we are doing. Okay, so this is Euro and Canadian dollar on 4 hours. As you can see, let me first explain the trend lines that I'm having here. Let me indicate the key areas why I connected these trend lines. Okay, first we have the bottom line, which is I will call it the support line, which is these lows. As you can see, with price have been hitting this area twice, and we have again these lows. That's why I connected this line, and this high, which is here, and this tail, which almost hits our trend line. Okay, so this is the reason why I have the bottom trend line, and the reason why I have the upper trend line, which is acting as my supports, I mean my resistance area, is because at the top we have this point where the price hit, and we have again this area where the price again hits the trend line, and a breakout which happened at this point. So what are we expecting on this currency, on this pair? Okay, as you can see, the price has already broken this upper trend line. So what are we expecting here? The price will probably need to go up, like up to around this area. So as for me, if I'm going to trade this area, I'm going to buy this pair, but we are likely to have a retest before we can go up. However, a retest is not I'm not saying it's going to happen. It might happen because whenever a breakout happens, we always expect to see a retest. So a retest may happen on the upper trend line, which is around this area, which means the price will probably need to at least go back to around this area, then shoot up to the target area. Or maybe since we have the horizontal line, which is this line, the reason why I have this line is because I have this high, which is here, this high, which is here, and this low, this low, which is here, and some bit of breakthroughs, which is happened around this area. So that's the reason why I had to put this line. So as you can see, the price has already broken this line. So a retest may happen on this line only, then shoot up to this area. So as the market will open, we are going to wait a little bit to see if the price will come back to retest this line, and if it happens, then we will then start maybe need to buy this pair. And if we are buying, we are going to set our stop losses at this line, which is the best area to set your stop loss. So this is my stop loss at this line, and take profit is around not exactly at this line that I'm having at the top here, but around this area will be the best, since we do not know that whether the price will actually hit the highest area where it reached last time, or maybe it will turn back at the close of the highest price. So this is what I'm having on this pair. So keep trading, and don't forget it's Matthew, and I'm doing these recordings for not as a signal but as a tip off.